Yo, what is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today. Guys, we're just gonna make this one a Q&A video. The only video that I can do in this amount of time that I have available is a Q&A, and I figured I might as well get in, answer some questions. Some people have been wondering, and I have been gone the last 2 days. And guys, it's not that I've been just, sitting around doing nothing, guys. I can't get people to understand, I guess, some things because it's what's going on with me, and when you don't see it happening and when you're not part of it every day, it's just kind of hard to understand and relate. But guys, I have been emailing companies like crazy. I'm not messing with you guys. I've been trying so hard to close deals so we can get stuff moving, okay? And so we're gonna answer some questions. This might answer some of the questions you guys have been having recently, and then I also have another big call tonight. Okay, we have another big call. I'm gonna try to meet my dad up at his office at that location, and we're gonna have a meeting with another company tonight. That's why I don't have a lot of time. I've been drop shipping products and merch and stuff all morning, doing affiliate marketing all last night. Yeah, so I mean, it's been really busy, and that's good. But I'm really hoping, and I just figured since the last 2 days I haven't had any cool, fun projects going on for the trucks, I might as well spend those hours that I'm saving getting a lot of other work done that I can't do while I'm filming and editing. Let's get through this video here. I've got a project I'm working on the truck here. I'm not going to show you all of it, but let's just say I'll give you a real small sneak peek. I don't know why I'm so excited about this part of it, but alright, okay, yeah, it gives it away. But I got the switch right here. Mounted to this pillar for the pods and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty dope. That's all we're gonna do in there. Let's get this camera set up and get some flipping questions answered for you guys. Now, since I do have the best family on YouTube, I do hope you guys are going to keep it clean in the comment section, and you're going to remember to drop those likes before you leave. One thing I want to announce, guys, new Loud and Proud diesel truck belt buckles for sale on the website. I did do a new merch drop 2 nights ago. That's something I wish I would have gotten on video so more people could have known about it sooner. The giveaway ends Saturday. This is not the truck giveaway, and I'll get on that in this video because some guys asked me questions. I'm gonna draw 2 people, and they're gonna be able to choose any product they want from Make Tuning, and I will buy that. It's gonna be on me and ship it right out to you guys. So if you guys wanna be a part of that giveaway, you guys can choose LED headlights, you guys can choose a curved light bar, small light bars like that. You guys can choose a big curved light bar, whatever you want to do. Totally gonna be up to you guys. I'm gonna draw 2 people, and you're gonna get to pick 1 product from Make Tuning that you want on me. There is going to be 2 products. Let's say you get a light bar, I'm gonna send you a wiring harness as well. I mean, you can't use a light bar without a wiring harness, but if you do get headlights or anything else, like, whatever, because everybody needs something a little bit different, so I'm not gonna make it 1 product. Let's get into this Q&A here. That giveaway, I'm gonna draw 2 people. It's gonna end this Saturday. Now guys, the giveaway is not even about winning stuff. It's not about, oh, how cool my merch is. It's really about a small, short-term fundraiser for the channel to help keep moving things forward, and I can keep trying to move forward with this stuff and really build stuff happening. Some of those questions are going to be answered here anyways. Yeah, link in description, top comment, I'll try to pin that. Definitely want to be a part of that. So let's get into this right now. First comment, will you ever get yourself a Powerstroke? Yes, I do plan on getting myself an OBS at some point, and possibly myself a 6.7, but all that kind of stuff, it just really depends on timing and finances, all that stuff. If you could get any truck you wanted right now for free, what would it be? Make, year, type, cab, style, transmission, etc. Okay, well, let me tell you right now. Do you guys remember the diesel power gear giveaway that they did, the Holy Grail, the 4-door 2nd gen? It was a sick looking truck, 4-door. Not sure if it was 12 valve or not. I think it was 12 valve, I'm not sure. It was a 5 or 6 speed, charcoal gray and black. I mean, 2-toned out. I mean, the thing was awesome. That's the truck I would want. What do you like better, a dent side or a 1st gen? Probably have to say 1st gen. They're both really cool trucks. I just like, I like the 12 valves. Is the truck giveaway going to be a standard or an auto transmission? Is it going to be 12 or 24 valve? Hoping to do a manual, and I am hoping to do a 12 valve. I haven't really looked into 24 valves. I've had a lot of people send them in. I kind of want to give away something that I've worked with, that I've driven, that I've experienced, that I know is a solid, reliable truck. And to me, that's 12 valves. That's what I'm surrounded by with. My tripod right now is a 12 valve. These trucks sitting behind me, 12 valves. There's 3 12 valves literally right around me. That's what we've driven. That's what we've used most recently, and they seem like great trucks. Very cheap to mod out, and that's another thing. Very friendly to mod out. Like injectors, turbos, all that stuff is so much cheaper in a 12 valve than it is anything with a computer on it. Is going to be a lot more expensive immediately. Good friendly truck to almost anybody looking, even if it's their first truck, their second truck, who cares? 12 valve is just a good go-to truck. Anybody can learn it really easy. Are you gonna buy a 6.0 Powerstroke? Nah, probably not. Will you ever buy a 24 valve? I'm not sure about that. I'm not gonna say for sure. I'd like to get a 3rd gen, a common rail. I don't know about a 24 valve 2nd gen though. How old were you when you started to save for your truck? How long did it take you? I started saving for my truck when I was 8 years old. I started going and I started mowing and weed eating my neighbor's lawn. She's got like 4 acres of grass, and I would go over there and mow that and weed eat her ditches and around her house and everything every single week. And then I got another neighbor, started working for her. They were friends, started working for her every single week. And then after about 2 years, I started working for our church, and then I started doing their lawn care as well. And I always worked for my dad around the farm, but it was just one of those deals where you earned your keep, so to speak. You didn't really get paid to do work around the farm. He's gonna watch this and be like, I mean, he did sometimes, like as like a perk, like, hey, you did a good job, you know, I'll throw you a little bit of money for, you know, just doing your responsibilities. But that's how I started doing it, is mostly just working for my neighbors and stuff like that. And now of course it's bigger and better things, but you know, you got to start somewhere. What is your dream car / truck, and what is the next mod on the truck? My dream truck is the truck I'm building currently. I've never had like one truck that's my dream vehicle. It's kind of like the truck that I'm building is my new dream. I'm gonna make that dream a reality, and then I'm gonna sell it. I don't know why, that's just kind of how I am. It's truck to truck, not necessarily I'm just gonna keep on going through all these trucks, building up to the truck that I actually want. Every truck that I build at that time is my current dream truck. Will you ever put together truck meets? I'd like to do some truck meets for sure. There's a lot of guys around my area actually that do truck meets, and that'd be fun to do a couple of those. Best first diesel truck, you're looking at them, 12 valves, 1st or 2nd gen, preferably do manuals. Great trucks. If you were to change one thing about your truck, what would it be? Not all modded out yet. That's what I'd like to change, to get this thing all modded out. Are you going to meet up with Dippin' Diesel and Paradox? I'm not entirely sure. We were actually planning on doing that a little while ago, and the hold up, I will take the blame, was me. And that's because I was saying, you know, like, I'm planning on moving soon. I want to make sure I'm financially stable. I'm moved before, you know, I go and spending money on plane tickets and stuff like that, because they were all ready to go. But it's not ended there, you know what I mean? Like, I still try to get in communication with those guys at least a little bit here and there, not like on an everyday basis. And I do think we are eventually going to do a meetup still. Right then and there, it just wasn't working out for me. But things are kind of shifting, things are changing, and some much bigger opportunities are coming up. And let me just tell you guys, my channel, I'm projected to hit 125,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. And I'm hoping to meet that goal and much more. We'll see. The channel's been blowing up recently. You guys have been killing it with the support. The truck giveaway coming up and stuff like that this summer. I don't see any reason why we can't meet that goal, plus a bunch more, and definitely just crush it this year. Team LMP, we go hard, man. We're gonna make it happen, and I just hope you guys can understand I am really working on that stuff nonstop, so it's gonna get done. Do you think you will be happy with the dually once it's finished? I am going to be so happy with the dually when it's finished. You guys look at this truck right now, you'd be like, dude, that truck looks like a turd. And I'll be honest, it does. But guys, this truck is going to be a princess this summer, and I am talking a princess, okay? And I'm being serious. It's gonna be sweet if these deals close and stuff starts to move. What do you plan on doing for rims and tires on the dually? I like Fuel Maverick dually wheels. Not sure if that's what I'm gonna do. I like Mayhem wheels too. That's still in debate. When will you start doing the Nasty Red build? That's kind of what these meetings are about that I keep talking about. Can't give you all the fine details, but that's kind of the hold up on the builds right now. We're trying to finalize some stuff to make sure it's done right. Daytona truck meet, and then he said, somebody replied, y'all for real need to meet up and make a video together. Not sure. All I know is I've got a handful of people that want to collab right now, but I've been so busy on my own thing. A lot of people just do videos and they're, you know, other small stuff. Like, dude, I'm balls to the walls. I'm grinding, trying to make big things happen. Like, I want 2018 to be an insane flipping year that a lot of these other channels are gonna look at and be like, holy crap, that dude blew up. That's what I'm trying to shoot for. And right now it's a little bit slow, but guys, this is the calm before the storm. It is about to be flipping crazy if I can start to get stuff finalized and sorted out and done. I hope everybody can see that. But yeah, I'd love to meet up with a lot of these guys. In fact, Justin Fio, dude, I'd totally be down for a meetup sometime. Same with Dippin' Diesel, Paradox, all those guys with the doc. You guys, I'll be down for all that stuff as long as I can get this stuff moving forward. I just got such big dreams and goals right now that I'm trying to just really just hammer down and get done first. So I'm totally open to that stuff. If you could only have one truck for the rest of your life, what would it be and why? 12 valve, because those things will have been running since the time of the dinosaurs, and they're probably going to be running for a lot longer than current time. I mean, they're just great trucks, and there's so many parts for them, you know what I mean? There's so many parts for 12 valves all over, and they're cheap. So these trucks, they run almost off of nothing, and they run rich and they run good. and if you can maintain them properly and take care of them, they'll just keep on going. And that's why I just say 12 valve. Are your Gasser / Tahoe build plans put on hold until the giveaway is complete? Yes, I was gonna do an Escalade actually build, but not as like the main face of the channel. I was gonna do just like my own daily driver, build an Escalade, kind of like on the side, and chime in once in a while with the camera during other videos. But I was kind of like, you know what, buy myself an Escalade, spend that money on a truck to give away to a 16-year-old kid who might be just smiling ear to ear to win a truck. I'm like, you can't replace that. So I'm gonna go with that. So, I can get myself another daily driver any other time, but I'd rather, get work done right now and put a smile on somebody else's face and really blow up the channel in other aspects than get myself a nice vehicle, So that's what I'm gonna do. Rims and tires for the 2nd gen lift. I'm thinking between 2 and 4 inches of lift, and I'm thinking probably 35-inch tires. Wheels and tires, maybe 20s, 22s, just depends on the tire size. I don't want to have any unproportioned wheel and tire, proportions. I want everything to look good and clean. Are you ever going to buy a Dirty Max? I'd like to buy an LBZ sometime, that is for sure. Would you ever do a square body Chevy K20, K30, or OBS Ford? Yes, I would love to do an OBS Ford, just to answer that. Chevy, possibly, but for sure an OBS Ford. When will you be doing the giveaway? The giveaway, this is just a goal. This is just a range of dates. I'm hoping to do the giveaway around May 1st, which is when I posted my very first video last year. I want to do May 1st, try to right around that weekend, try to lock down a truck, which you guys know how that can be. It could be that weekend, it could be 3 weeks before, 3 weeks after, it just really depends. Try to buy a truck right around that time as a review and be like, this is the new giveaway project. Build that truck for about 2 months, build up a lot of hype, get a ton of people in here, get a lot of new people circulating into the channel, get that truck looking sharp but clean but basic, simple, and then do a giveaway roughly in July. So it'll be like the main summer project for the channel that is going to be taking up most of the attention. Any picked out trucks for the summer giveaway? Not for sure. All I know is I'm thinking 2nd gen 12 valve manual if I can. If I get an automatic, I'm gonna do my best to at least get like a mild build on it to support whatever power it has at time of giveaway, stuff like that. If I can't find a manual, worst case scenario, somebody has to win a free automatic. You know what I mean? If you don't like it, I'm sorry, you can sell it, do whatever you want with it. All I'm trying to do is give somebody a free truck. Whatever you guys do with your truck is totally up to you. That's just what I'm gonna try to do, is give away a truck in good condition. What size injectors, turbo, etc. are you gonna go with? I'm thinking of 120 horsepower injectors, BorgWarner S400 series something turbo compound, complementing my stock turbo. If anything happens to the stock, just buy a new turbo. 4K governor springs, 60-pound valve springs, 191 delivery valves, AFC fuel air control springs. There's a lot of stuff that's going to be happening, but like I said, just kind of depends on these deals that close. Are you going to get 14 bumpers on the dually? Yes, I would like to. Maybe aftermarket, just depends. What's the best truck you've ever owned? Probably the 12 valve. That's the best truck I've ever owned. Doing any mods to the giveaway truck or just giving away as is when you buy it? I'm probably going to do some mods to it. Like I said, I want to keep it basic, probably under 400 horse, so it's still reliable. It's a good, friendly daily driver truck that nobody has to worry about any crazy maintenance or anything that's going to go bad on it. And I'm probably going to make sure everything's sound, get a full service, everything done, make sure the truck's detailed, everything's running. We'll get it tested, make sure it's running like a top, and make sure it's rust free as much as possible. Good paint on it. That's what I'm looking for, is a good, clean, respectable, everyday truck for somebody to take home and be totally happy with it. That's my goal. Have you thought about putting a stack on the dually? I have thought about it. If I have a different daily driver that's not going to be so loud in the cab, I would consider putting a stack on the dually. As of now, I don't drive it every day. I can tell if I do take it on a long trip, it would suck in the cab of that truck with a stack on it. But as of now, I don't drive it much, so I could consider putting a stack on it. Let me know down in the comments about the stack, by the way. Why don't you say much about 24 valves? Do you not like them? Well, I don't say much about them because I don't own any, and I feel like if I don't even own one, I really don't have a lot to say on them. You can't argue a 12 valve is not a better truck in terms of reliability. I'm not saying like maximum horsepower. Of course, you can probably get more out of a 24 valve, but I'm saying in terms of reliability and ease of building and stuff like that and project, these trucks are just so user-friendly. That's probably gonna put a wrap on this video. Thank you guys so flipping much for stopping in and watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this, and if I did answer your questions that you may have had brewing in the back of your mind, definitely leave a like on this video. Drop some comments down below. New merch only this week. It ends Saturday. We got some digital camo two-toned hoodies. We've got some cool t-shirts. We got the whole new brand logo and design. I ordered myself a whole wardrobe of stuff that's going to be in a couple days with all my new logos and stuff on them. And we got the new Loud and Proud belt buckles on the channel as well. Definitely go check those out, guys. This really helps the channel so much. You guys have no idea how thankful I am for all the support recently. And like I said, I'm going to be drawing 2 people to get to pick any product they want from Mick Tuning's website on me. So if you guys want to be a part of that, you get to support a channel that's growing and could really use the support. You get to be a part of something, a part of a team, part of a movement, and you know, you might have a chance to win some cool products at the same time. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, join the team, join the family, subscribe. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.